Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to make calls on Twilio. So here, just have to open any of your web browser and then log into your Twilio account. After that, right here, just go to the voice section. Okay, so now that you're here, you just have to click on the try it out. That's right, and wait for a couple of seconds. So the first thing that we should do here is we have to get a number. So simply click on this one. After that, make sure to select your country. So if your country is available here, just have to click on it. And then you'd be able to see here the capabilities. So we have the voice and SMS. After that, search for criteria. That's right. Okay, so here we have the available number. So we have to buy our number right here. Okay, so make sure to click on it. Okay, after that, you just have to click on next. So here we can receive incoming calls and make outgoing calls after that. Now, once you are done buying your number, you can now call here using your phone number on Twilio. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.